Sometimes beer culture is tragic. Find out why next in our beer culture moment. Beer culture can also be tragic, just like it was on October 17th, 1814, when a 3-story wooden vat of porter exploded in a brewery in London. It's actually called the Horseshoe Brewery, so I guess symbolically speaking, the horseshoe didn't prove to be too lucky that time. The explosion was so forceful that it caused other wooden vats in that brewery to explode as well, and took out the back wall and caused 388,000 gallons of beer to spill into the street, which is a 15-foot tidal wave. And it basically went down the street into a very low-income area, destroying 2 houses, sweeping away a mother and a child at the same time, and then proceeding on down the street. And tragically, there were actually 8 people that were killed in that flood of beer, including 4 children. Ironically, 5 of the people that were killed were actually attending a wake for a 2-year-old boy that had recently died. 2 days later, there was an inquest held, and the court determined the incident to be an act of God, which was really surprising given that brewery workers, none of which were killed during this explosion of the 3-story high vat. They actually testified that having problems with vats was a yearly occurrence at the brewery. The brewery almost went bankrupt, but what saved them was they actually got a rebate on the excise tax that they had paid for the manufacture of the beer that had been lost. So they were actually able to rebuild the brewery, and this time getting away from wooden vats. And believe it or not, that brewery was in existence until 1961, although in a different location. So as you can see, beer culture sometimes is tragic, like it was on October 17th, 1814. And that's our beer culture moment. This has been a Matty Boy presentation. Say bye-bye, Matty.
Bye-bye.